is the elevator at the 13th Street westbound M-Frankford line in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Center City. It's a Kone, I think. One. Close it up. I was gonna start with as much of a jolt as the Jefferson 10th and Filbert at tracks 1 and 2. Speaking of which, back up to 2. Here we are, 1. Are you going up or no? Going up or no? No. I wasn't sure if you were going up or anything. Okay. You're welcome. 2. I'm just gonna end this on 2 because I don't want that lady to get suspicious for multiple round trips. Here we are at 2. There's Center City at night, and that's it.